A pristine Ford GT40 stands under the bright lights of a professional car shoot, exuding both vintage elegance and modern allure. The camera first sweeps over the car's sleek body, capturing its aerodynamic curves and aggressive yet refined lines. The iconic front grille, a hallmark of racing heritage, gleams under the studio lights, emphasizing the GT40's bold colors. Close-ups reveal the fine details of the car's design, from the precision of the headlights to the distinctive badges that signify its storied past. The powerful rear design, accented by the signature dual exhausts and bold taillights, is framed perfectly to showcase its muscular stance. As the car comes to life, the roar of the engine fills the studio and the viewer is treated to shots of the GT40 in motion. The camera follows it from multiple angles, capturing the grace and power of this legendary machine on the track. The video concludes with a series of stills, each one a testament to the Ford GT40's enduring appeal and racing pedigree. The lighting throughout the video highlights the car's reflective surfaces, making the colors pop and the details stand out, ensuring a viewing experience that is as captivating as the car itself.